Are you getting not enough space pop-ups even though there is sufficient space while installing Xcode or other software? Don't worry, in this video I am going to fix this issue. Let's do it. First of all, go to Xcode directory. Delete derived data and iOS device logs. Create a folder and open a terminal at folder. Run the command. You can copy this command from the description of the video. This will generate file of 20 gigabytes. After around 30 seconds, stop the terminal and delete the folder and open trash and clear it. You can see the same pop-up is still coming even though I have enough space available. Now just restart the system and see the magic. You can see the after restart it is installing the Xcode. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. If you want full installation video of Xcode is also given in the description.